Hey Wednesday Warriors, thank you so much for tuning in. It really means a lot to me. If you like what I'm doing, subscribe to my channel and share this with a friend if you find it helpful. Today, I'm so excited. I'm gonna share with you my top 5 must-have, greatest beauty products that everybody should know about, no matter how low maintenance or high maintenance you are. These are just things that you should have on your shelf that will save you and help you and give you that edge, just so you feel a little bit more confident, you're a little more comfortable in your own skin, because we all have our days, and on one of those days, reach for one of these. They will make you feel good. Okay, so this is not a paid advertisement. Let me just preface this quick thing by saying it's not a paid advertisement. These are products I use. I literally just pulled them off my shelf in my bathroom down the hall. So first and foremost, if you want that perfect tousled hair look, and you want next day hair on the first day, is what my hair girl says. April, you're amazing and I love you. And she introduced me to this product. So this is called Bedroom Hair, and Kevin Murphy makes it. We all know about Kevin Murphy, but this stuff smells so good. So sometimes I just spray it in my hair because I like how it smells so much. But Bedroom Hair, Kevin Murphy, that's a great one. Every hair length can use it and benefit from it, but it gives it a little bit of texture. It's really nice. Okay, so this is a complete must-have for your skin. If you ever have a little dryness, a little flakiness, redness, irritation, anything, any sort of flare, put this underneath your makeup. This is formulated for your face, so it's not gonna break you out. Every skin type can use it, and it's called Clinicalm. I actually talk about this a lot. I've posted it a lot. It's like one of those things that should always sit on your shelf, just like you always have Band-Aids in your cabinet. This is a Band-Aid for your face. So a little bit of this, it's a moisturizer. PCA makes it, Clinicalm 1%. You cannot use it for more than 2 weeks at a time. So that's the catch. It's awesome. Okay, so next. This is a complete must-have for anybody who lives in a city like ours, Kansas City. They say if you don't like the weather, stay a while, because it constantly changes. So if we go from freezing cold to really warm, you want to throw shorts on, a skirt on, whatever, this will save you if you didn't have time to pop in for your spray tan. And it is called Body Blur. I got this at Ulta. Sephora actually doesn't have it, and this color is Latte. So what you do is you put it on just like a moisturizer. It is not a self-tanner, so that's why it's foolproof. Anybody can use this. You don't have to be an expert. You don't have to have special gloves. You put it on, gives you a beautiful tint, a nice glow, and you go on with your bad self. So that is my third one. Number 4, manicure in a bottle. I do my own nails. I find it really therapeutic to sit and focus on one thing. And I do it after the kids are down. It's super calm. And it's also a place in life where I save money so I can splurge somewhere else. And what I use as my top coat is the Game Changer. It's called Sech Vite. And I only use the top coat, so it actually does not matter which nail polish you use. If you put this on top, it'll give your nails a really pretty shine, and it helps them dry quickly. If you get your nails done and they just need a little extra shine, kind of right when you get them done, have this on your shelf, wipe it out. 5 minutes, it's dry, you can go. So this stuff, Sech Vite, you can get it at beauty brands. I've seen it at Target, Sally's has it, and I'm sure Amazon has everything, because that's where we're going in life. Okay, last product, and this is, we sell this at my office. We have sold it for years, and for some reason I never bought it. And then I was like, I'll try it. Addicted, and it's called Cortibom. Dr. Dan's Cortibom. It's not easy to find. We have it in our office because people who are put on Accutane actually get so dry that their lips crack and they bleed, and this is one of the only things that they can use to find relief. I love putting it underneath my lipstick. I've told you before, I actually really like lipstick, and I put this on. I'll take my beauty counter, thanks Lauren Rodriguez and Lindsay Hernandez. You guys are great because you're my beauty counter contacts. And I'll take that lipstick and kind of smudge it so it looks like you just made out, and it's so cute and so pretty. But the reason it looks good is because your lips are hydrated. And so this stuff, if you travel a lot, dry lips, boom, that is my last product. I hope that you like these products if you decide to try them. If you have a favorite product, comment below. I want to hear all about it, and I want to try it out myself. Otherwise, go on with your bad self and shine your light. Have a great day.